3000 ml hydrogen, oxygen machine usage tutorial. Welcome to the Sweezico Product After Sales Use Guide. Thank you for ordering our Sweezico hydrogen and oxygen generators. Today we will learn how to use the 3000 ml hydrogen, oxygen gas generator. First, we need to check the accessories of the equipment. 2 sets of nasal cannula, an atomizer cup, which is mainly used for large flow models to filter a small amount of water in the gas, and the accessories package, including a drain pipe, a Y-shaped pipe, an atomizer cup holder, and the power cord. After confirming the accessories, we need to check whether the appearance of the product is damaged. Then we will take you to briefly introduce each part of the product. First, we can see that this is our hydrogen outlet, oxygen outlet, and drain outlet, and the rear water tank window. Power interface, switch, and handles on both sides. The universal wheel can move freely and can be manually fixed. After confirming that the accessories and product appearance are correct, let's operate and use the device together. Take out the accessories package. Take out the power cord. Find the power interface. Connect the power cord. Please confirm that the power cord is plugged into the bottom. After the device is powered on, turn on the equipment switch. Water injection, distilled water or purified water. After the equipment is powered on, turn on the operation interface switch. At this time, the equipment displays the E1 water shortage state. We need to remove the sticker on the water inlet. Pull out the soft plug and add water to the water tank. Please make sure that the water we add is pure water or distilled water, and the TDS is less than 5. Please add slowly when we adding water. Do not let the water overflow onto the panel. If there is overflow, please wipe it dry in time. When adding water, you need to observe the scale line of the water tank behind the equipment. You can see that the maximum capacity of the water tank is 5.5 L, so we need to add at least 5 L water to the water tank to meet the normal operation of the equipment. While adding water, observe the scale line of the water tank. Now we add about 5 L water, and the equipment can operate normally. After adding enough water, we can see that the E1 state is cancelled, and the panel is in normal working condition. Next, we need to put the water tank cover back. Please note, the white soft plug is the water tank cover used during the transportation, which prevent a small amount of water from overflowing. When we use the equipment, we need to replace the plastic water tank cover. Install the humidification cup. After adding water, we need to connect accessories, such as hydrogen absorption tube and atomizer cup. The atomizer cup is mainly used for large flow equipment, and its purpose is to filter the small amount of water carried in the hydrogen. We can install the atomizer cup on the left and right sides of the equipment. Now we select one side, take the tool, and unscrew the screw. Unscrew the screw and take out the atomizer cup bracket and our atomizer cup in the accessory package. Next, We need to connect the atomizer cup bracket first. Then fix the atomizer cup on the bracket. Hydrogen cannula connection. After connecting the atomizer cup, we need to connect the hydrogen cannula. First, tear off the sticker on the front visual window. Unplug the soft plugs of the hydrogen and oxygen outlets. Take out the Y-shaped tube in the accessory package, connect it to the hydrogen outlet and the oxygen outlet. Connect the Y-shaped tube to the atomizer cup. And then take out the nasal inhalation cannula. Then connect the nasal cannula to the other end of the atomizer cup. Pay attention to the tightness of the connection. Now, the whole set nasal inhalation cannula is connected. Then let's operate and use the equipment together. Panel function introduction. The panel will automatically shut down if there is no operation within 1 minute. So we need to reopen the panel switch. Use time display, hydrogen flow rate display, oxygen flow rate display, equipment real-time temperature display, water quality detection, full water alarm, low water alarm, overheating alarm, overpressure alarm, keep key, automatic drainage, time increase, time decrease, hydrogen flow rate adjustment and sleep mode. Or increasing the using time, we can see that the flow rate of hydrogen is 2000 milliliters per minute and the flow rate of oxygen is 1000 milliliters per minute. We can press the button to adjust the gas flow rate, 1600 milliliters per minute hydrogen, 1200 milliliters per minute hydrogen, 1000 milliliters per minute hydrogen. Wearing of hydrogen absorption tube. After connecting the nasal cannula and setting the use time, we can wear the hydrogen inhalation cannula to start the treatment. There are 2 ways to wear the nasal cannula. The first is to put the nasal cannula into the nasal cavity, with both sides placed behind the ears. And we can adjust the ring to fix the nasal cannula. The second way is to put the nasal cannula into the nasal cavity. Place the rest of the cannula behind our head and adjust the ring to fix it. After the treatment, we need to remove the hydrogen cannula. Unplug the connection between the Y-shaped tube and the atomizer cup. And the hydrogen cannula connected at the other end. If we do not use the equipment for a long time, we also need to remove the atomizer cup. Finally, turn off the panel switch. Drainage. When the device is not used for a long time or is used frequently, and the device has a water quality alarm, we need to replace the water in the water tank. Then, find a drain pot, prepare a container for the replacement water in advance. Take out the drain pipe. Unplug the drain pipe plug. Connect the drain pipe. Put the other end of the water pipe into the container we prepared in advance, then we need to operate the panel for automatic drainage. Noticed? Keep the device powered on, make sure the operation panel is in the off state, press and hold the automatic drainage button for 5 seconds, and the automatic drainage function is turned on. After the water tank is drained, we need to manually turn off the automatic drainage. Press the drainage button and turn off the automatic drainage process. After the drainage is completed, unplug the drain pipe and put back the drain port plug. And also put back the hydrogen outlet and oxygen plugs. Turn off the device switch. Be sure to unplug the power end first. Then unplug the device connection end. Finally, unplug the power cord.